This is the optical path length interactive calculator, which determines how light propagates through different media. By calculating the effective distance light travels optically, let's explore the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down with 6 options. Calculate optical path length, calculate geometric path length, calculate refractive index, calculate phase difference, multi-layer OPL with 3 layers, and wavelength shift in medium. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate optical path length. The main inputs are refractive index n, geometric path length in millimeters, optical path length in millimeters, wavelength in vacuum in nanometers, and reference OPL in millimeters. For multi-layer calculations, there are additional fields for 3 layers. Refractive index n1, thickness d1, refractive index n2, thickness d2, refractive index n3, and thickness d3. Now let's look at a specific worked example to see the calculator in action. With a refractive index of 1.5 and a geometric path length of 10 millimeters, the calculator gives us an optical path length of 15,000 millimeters. This means light behaves as if it traveled 15 millimeters instead of the actual 10. The speed in medium result shows 1998.61639 meters per second, and the speed ratio CV equals 1/5000, confirming our refractive index. Perfect for optical system design and analysis. Find the link in the description below.